Rogers, thank God. Did you hear about the lab?
Yeah, I did.
It was Pinder. We got a reading last night from his genetic trail.
Jesus Christ. Pinder?
He's headed toward your house.
Oh, Christ. All right. All right, I'm heading over there now.
Hi, hon, are you okay? I heard about the lab.
I'm fine. Listen, there's a security team headed to the house.
Oh my God, are we in some kind of trouble?
Follow their direction. Explain later. Listen, I'll have to explain later.
Is the device ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Mommy!